Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams, where we empower you to take control of your financial future with the power of blockchain and crypto. Today, I'm going to show you how to create your very own cryptocurrency token. That's right, whether you want to launch the next big DeFi project, start a DAO, or simply experiment with blockchain technology, this guide will walk you through it step by step. By the end of this video, you'll know what a cryptocurrency token is and how it differs from a coin. The tools and platforms you'll need to create your token. Step-by-step instructions to launch your token on popular blockchains like Ethereum or Binance Smart Chain BSC. Key considerations to ensure your token is successful. Make sure you stick around until the end, where I'll share tips on promoting and monetizing your token. Check the description below for links to helpful tools. Let's dive in. Part 1. What is a cryptocurrency token? Before we create one, let's break down what a cryptocurrency token is. A token is a digital asset built on an existing blockchain, like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or Solana. Unlike a cryptocurrency coin like Bitcoin, which operates on its own blockchain, tokens use the infrastructure of another blockchain. Tokens can serve various purposes. Utility tokens, used within a specific ecosystem, for example, Uniswap's Uni. Governance tokens, grant holders voting rights in a project. Security tokens represent ownership in an asset or company. NFTs, non-fungible tokens, unique tokens for digital collectibles. Part 2. Tools you'll need to create a token. Creating a token is easier than you think, thanks to blockchain platforms and tools. Here's what you'll need. 1. Blockchain platform. Popular choices: Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain BSC, Polygon, or Solana. Ethereum uses the ERC-20 standard, while BSC uses the BEP-20 standard. 2. A crypto wallet. Wallets like MetaMask or Trust Wallet will store your tokens and pay for transaction fees, gas fees. 3. A smart contract development environment. Tools like Remixite allow you to co- and deploy smart contracts. 4. Programming knowledge. You'll need basic knowledge of Solidity, the programming language used for smart contracts on Ethereum and BSC. 5. Testing and deployment tools. Testnets like Ethereum's Ropsten or BSC's testnet let you test your token without spending real money. Part 3. How to create your token. Now, let's get into the step-by-step process. For this example, we'll create a simple ERC-20 token on Ethereum. Step 1. Define your token's purpose. Decide what your token will be used for. Is it for a project, a DAO, or simply an experiment? Name your token, choose a symbol, and set the total supply. Step 2. Install MetaMask. Download and install the MetaMask wallet. Fund it with Ethereum to pay for gas fees. Step 3. Open Remixite. Go to Remixite or remix.ethereum.org, an online environment for writing smart contracts. Step 4. Write the smart contract. Use the ERC-20 standard template to create your token. Here's a simplified example. Solidity. Copy code. Pragma Solidity Y 8.0. Import at openzeppelin/contracts/token/ERC-20/ERC-20.sol. Contract my token is ERC-20. Constructor ERC-20 my token, MTK. _mint msg.sender, 1 million *, 10 *** decimals. This code creates a token called my token with a total supply of 1 million. Step 5. Deploy your token. Switch your MetaMask wallet to the Ropsten testnet or mainnet for real tokens. Compile your code in Remixite and deploy it using MetaMask. Step 6. Verify your token. Once deployed, verify your token contract on Etherscan or Bascan for transparency and trust. Step 7. Add your token to wallets. Add your token to wallets like MetaMask using the contract address. Part 4. Key considerations for token success. 1. Compliance. Ensure your token complies with regulations in your region. Security tokens, for example, may require specific licenses. 2. Tokenomics. Plan the economics of your token, how it's distributed, used, and burned. Popular models include staking and rewards. 3. Marketing. Use platforms like Fiverr to hire marketing experts, create a website, and build a community on Telegram or Discord. 4. Listing on exchanges. To make your token tradable, list it on decentralized exchanges, DEXs like Uniswap or PancakeSwap. Part 5. Monetizing and promoting your token. Monetization. 1. Charge transaction fees or offer staking rewards to earn passive income. 2. Create partnerships with other blockchain projects. Promotion. 1. Build a social media presence on Twitter, Reddit, and LinkedIn. 2. Run campaigns on CoinStats or platforms like TradingView. Congratulations! You now know how to create your own cryptocurrency token from scratch. With the right tools and strategies, you can turn your idea into a reality on the blockchain. If this guide inspired you, check the description below for links to helpful tools. Please smash that like button, subscribe to Debt-Free Dreams, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss more crypto tutorials like this. Thanks for watching.